Today we're diving into a delicious Nigerian dish called plantain porridge. This recipe is simple, packed with flavor and a great way to enjoy the goodness of plantain. Let's get started. First, peel your washed plantain, dice and set aside. Note that using both ripe and unripe plantain gives this porridge a perfect balance of sweetness and firmness. But for this recipe, I'll be using unripe plantain. So place the pan on fire and I'll be frying my shrimps. I'll be using shrimps for this recipe. All the ingredients that I use for this recipe you'll find in the description. First, we don't. So I'll fry this and set it aside. So in the same pan, I'll add my palm oil. Allow this palm oil to heat up for a while. Then I'll add a blend of my pepper and onion. I'll fry for a few minutes. Then I'll introduce my crayfish. Now it's time to build in flavors. Add my crayfish, fry for a minute, then I'll introduce my blended fresh tomatoes and a pinch of salt. Stir gently, making sure everything is well incorporated. Then add your seasoning cube. So because of the kind of seasoning cube I'm using, I'll allow this to heat up for a while so the seasoning cube melts properly. Then I'll stir properly and make sure everything is well incorporated into my sauce. I'll cover to fry for some time before adding my meat stock. Yeah, it's very important you build your flavors very well in your stock so your food comes out very rich and tasty. So I just added Cameroon pepper because I want mine to be very spicy. It's optional. Yeah, when it comes to pepper, make sure you add your peppers according to the hotness you can withstand. So cover this and allow this to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Then it's time to introduce the plantain. So I'll be adding more water. This is to allow the plantain to cook until it's tender. So from time to time I have to stir. Yeah, stir the porridge gently to break down some of the pieces, giving it a nice thick consistency. Right, so you continue stirring from time to time, you get something like this. And at this point, I've added my shrimps. I don't know, I lost that clip, so I added my shrimps and my oven baked leftover fish. So at this point, you can test and make any adjustments. You can add more crayfish if you want, or season cube. Now allow this to simmer for 1 to 2 minutes. Then to be time to toss in my vegetables. So for this recipe, I'll be using spinach. Feel free to use any vegetable you taste like scent leaf, ugu leaf, and the rest. And for this, I'm using spinach. So I'll stir, allow this to cook for 1 minute, and our plantain porridge is ready. Will you be trying out this recipe? Please let me know in the comment section if you're trying out this recipe. Thanks for always coming around to watch my videos. I see your comments and I'm very grateful. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Click on the bell icon so you can notify whenever I upload. I'll see you around. Bye for now.